to this D2L demonstration series. Today we will be creating Dropbox assignments incorporating rubrics and the Turnitin feature. The Turnitin feature is the plagiarism check. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to create your rubric. And then the way to do that is we are going to come up to Assessment, and from the drop menu we will come down and click on Rubrics. All right, now we are ready to create our rubric of which we will be scoring our students' work on. So we click New Rubric. The first job is to name your rubric. I'm going to be putting this with Dropbox assignments. Rubric. And then you are going to next come down to the type. And you may choose holistic or you may choose analytic. I'm going to choose analytic. All right, now you can choose the number of levels of which you will be grading your students' work against. And then how the criterion. And I'm going to set this with a criterion of 3. All right, then you'll decide what your criterion are. I'm just going to do criterion 1. Criterion 2, criterion 3. And you will choose then what each level of these criterion the work will look like to get the scores. So what does a 4 look like? That's going to be your excellent work. So, but describe that specifically. What does the good work look like? What does fair work look like? What does needs improvement work look like? And be specific. And you will continue on in such a manner for each of the boxes within the criterion. Once you have finished creating your rubric, you're ready to go on back to add it to an assignment. And you're going to pay attention that we are out of 12 points total. That's what our score is. So we're going to click Close. All right, it's added it right here to my list of rubrics. And I am ready to create my Dropbox assignment now. I'm going to go straight back up to that Assessment tab, click on that, but this time I'm going to go to Dropbox. All right, and to get to my Dropbox assignment, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the blue box that says New Folder. All right. I'm ready to work on my week 3, so I'm going to type in week 3 Dropbox assignment. I am going to name it. So that is step 1 once we're here. Then you'll give your directions, complete and upload, but be more specific, obviously. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to scroll on down. You can add attachments if you so desire, but we're going to scroll on down until we get to the originality check. And we're going to click on that. That will give us the Turnitin feature so we can check for plagiarism. So click that. We're going to keep on going. Now we need to say what this is out of. Our rubric said it was 12, so we're going to say this is a score out of 12. We're then going to choose our grade item. I am doing the week 3 Dropbox assignment. I've already set that up in my grade book, so it's good to go. I'm now going to add that rubric that I just created. Add selected. And then my next step is to come back up to the top, scroll up to the restrictions. And within the restrictions now I can set the due date. So let's set this for April 16th. You can give a start date. Why don't we just give it for today and say we started it at noon today. Why not? All right, and you can give it an end date too, but I have the due date up there. And now I am ready to save and close. And when I come back over to my grades, I will see that I have in week 3, my Dropbox assignment is set over here. And that is how you create an assignment for a Dropbox assignment, incorporating both rubrics and the Turnitin feature.